Hello, I am Frank, a Linux server engineer. Today we are going to learn how to do an APM install. I will install Apache MySQL and PHP using the yum command on Linux CentOS. First we'll install 5 packages: HTTPD, MySQL, MySQL Server, PHP, and PHP MySQL. It may be a little complicated if you choose to compile the source and install. Let's perform a simple installation. Now, time to check if the packages have installed properly. Using the APM-QA command, we can confirm that all the packages are listed. We pipe all of those results and use the egref command to match and filter our desired packages. Let's check if Apache runs smoothly. We'll do the same check for MySQL. Finally, confirm the PHP version. Entering the ps3 command, we can see the daemons that are currently running. Now, we'll stop Apache. And then we'll start it up again. We will also run MySQL. Using the ps3 and grep commands, confirm the daemons that are currently running. Let's also confirm the MySQL version. Through the ifconfig command, check the server's IP address. If you can see this screen, the installation was a success. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.